It's Wednesday, so you know our great friend Johnathan Miller is back in the studio, but he's getting you ready for those clocks. They spring forward this weekend, Saturday into Sunday, and a lot of us are dreading losing that extra hour. Now, it does bring us some sunlight, you know, some more daylight at the end. But Johnathan, is there anything that we can do to try to like get ahead of that just kind of like, ugh?
Well, my solution is not coffee.
Okay.
Even though you're losing that hour of sleep, we are not going to say do not get caffeinated.
No caffeine. Okay.
I mean, we already know you're a Stepford robot and that you don't sleep anyway, so it's like, you know, she is just always going.
Yes.
But yes, there is. One thing that people don't realize is that a lot of it is psychological with what is in their house right now.
Okay.
Especially with the winter we just had, you've got everything set to be cozy and warm, so when you come inside, you can cuddle up.
Sure.
I've got you to change out to your warmer toss pillows and it's like, you know, you go in and that is one of the things though, that when this time change happens, you go home, you've got an extra hour of daylight, but yet you go inside and you want to curl up and be snuggled, and it's like, so then you're like, oh, I'm so tired the next morning because you just want to stay cozy. So if you change out that door, we throwing them away. We're gonna go with something like your dress today that is bright and a beautiful shade of blue, which is gonna emulate the sky. So then that way you start to feel that inside coming in just a little bit.
I love it. I love it. And make sure you get a good chop. I love Johnathan with a good chop. Okay, so we're changing that. What about, you know, this was kind of more of our living room, home decor. What about the bedroom? Does that matter?
The bedroom is I'm like, okay, you got to push those curtains back out of the way. First of all, let the light in.
Let the light in.
And Candace, it's no longer a storage unit.
Oh,
so
you all that me on TV. Okay, Johnathan.
So all that stuff that's on that nightstand that's just been piling up, you know, from coming home, throwing your earrings and things off.
Right.
We're going to make sure that all of that is gone and out of the way.
Okay, love that.
Because that's the thing is when you're springing forward, look at it as you're moving a step forward. So there's lots of things. I mean, I'll even say my nightstand's stacked up right now.
Yeah.
And you want to have that clear. So then when you wake up,
oh, beautiful.
Automatically, you're seeing that small little change with letting the light in and being able to see outside makes you feel more like it's springing forward.
Yeah, brightens up the day. And speaking of, oh, look
and
at
that. There is your bedding example. Same room, winter look, spring look.
Wow.
I mean, I love the winter cozy
I was going to say, Johnathan.
but I'm ready to throw those linens off and go to a beach.
Oh, speaking of.
This weekend, it's supposed to be gorgeous. This is where you can get a head start on your outdoor area. You can get out there, get all of these leaves, all this debris, all this stuff that's been left behind by the ice.
Look at
just
that.
Clean it up. Just put fresh dirt in your planters. Have them ready to drop in the plants as soon as we get the clearance from our weather team here, saying it's not going to frost.
Yes, 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 yes. So, I mean, that picture was like night and day. It was almost like you did like the little genie, like boink, and then like the pictures. So, but that really does make a huge difference.
It's the small details like that. When you're getting up every day, or that when you're getting home, you're looking out there, you're seeing that. That's going to still inspire you. You're going to start thinking about what plants you want to add in. And that's where even some of your decor in the house, change it out with some plants.
Okay.
Lighting in your house is one of my biggest things. So many people still only have a light overhead candles. Yeah. And I'm like, well, it's not an interrogation room. You want to get some lamps, have some multiple things of lighting in there, and make sure that you go 2,700 to 3,000 kelvins, because that's bright, but it's warm. So it's going to start giving you that feeling in the morning and in the evening. Because if you get up before it's daylight outside with us, we don't want to have that harsh light. We're under it all day.
Yes, please.
But in the morning, you need to be able to start getting going when you get in the shower and things like that.
These little things go such a long way. And I really liked seeing the outdoor, cleaning that up, because look, we're about to have some really great days. Even today is not bad, but
it's gorgeous.
You want to go ahead and already have it clean so you can just get out there and enjoy it, right?
Right, because when we're in that season right now where it may be rainy one day and then gorgeous the next. So you want to always have that prep so then you can just still go out there and sit and enjoy the sunlight.
I couldn't agree more. We got 30 seconds left, Johnathan. I didn't get to your coat rack over here.
30 seconds. We're going to rip everything off the coat rack.
Okay.
Put it away because winter's over.
Spring.
We want to have spring things. We're going to be ready to go to the pool and the beach. And then if you want more tips, just check out my blog. QR code's in the corner. And there we go.
There you go. QR code right here. His website as well. Let's reset your home before those clocks spring forward so we can already just have a better mindset, a nice, warm, bright home. You can do it. It's not too hard. Head over to his website, scan that QR code. We'll be back with more 12 About Town today. Did you really do that?